Hello, Lions. This is your English 3 Visionaries video helper. This will also be in your Canvas, but you can also go to readylibrary.com and click on English 3 Visionaries. Once you get here, this video will be linked here and embedded down here, but I'm going to click on the click here to open up Mac and Via. You have a Mac and Via group for this particular PBA, and so you will log into Mac and Via with Reedy as your school, your 6-digit student ID as your login, and your 8-digit birthday as your password, unless you've changed your password. Up here in the top is the assignment sheet with all the information about what you're looking for about this particular person, and then also your technology choice board, which will be for your final project. So I am going to use Jane Goodall as my example. So I'm going to highlight the name there. And actually, I think I'm going to do somebody that might have a little more information. Let's do Gandhi. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight that, and then I'm going to close that. So when you are looking at the beginning, when you're having to find out about all the people to determine which are going to be your top 3, and so I am going to put in the name into Britannica School. Britannica School is an online encyclopedia, so it's going to give you a little bit of information about a lot of different topics. And for this beginning where you have to learn about all these people before you choose one, this is going to be your best choice source for that. So I'm going to click on Gandhi right there. And then you will notice that Gandhi's article about him is really, really lengthy. Obviously, in the beginning, when you're just finding out about these people, so that you can determine if you want to pick this person, you can also click on the reading level here, and you can knock it down. It just knocks down the complexity of the article, the information, the length of the article. So just to find out a little bit about that person, you might want to knock the reading level down just a little bit, so the articles are not quite as long. But then when you actually get into the research, you'll want to probably keep it on the level 3. So let's say I wanted to use this article for my actual project. So this right here is your Mla Works Cited page. This is the template that you can use. So I'm going to click Use Template, and I'm going to make a copy of this. And then I'm going to get my citation. So I'm going to click on this Cite button right here, and we want to use Mla for this. So I'm going to copy and paste that, and then I'm going to Control-Shift-V that information into my Works Cited. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out the example citation, but I'm going to maintain the formatting of the citation there. So I'm just going to go through and show you how to use all the different resources in here. The other one that you may want to use either at the beginning when you're just looking up the people, or also then when you're looking up the information about them. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it up here, and I'm going to hit enter. So you'll notice that this person has this right here. So if you want to, when you're Gandhi has the information that's just like about this person in this one. If you wanted to use this instead of Britannica School, you absolutely could. It's just going to kind of give you a summary of the person, birth to death. So if I wanted to use this article, I would choose MLA, select the citation, and then I'm going to paste it over here. Let's close that one. So this article is here. Now I'm going to go back to this about him because I want to show you that there are 25 reference articles. There's audio recordings dealing with him, critical essays, biographies, magazines, images, news, video, and academic journals. So these are all the different types of sources about Gandhi in this particular database. And so you may want to, depending on what questions you're answering about him or what you are looking for about him, you may want to choose a biography, or you may want to listen to audio recordings, or you may want to watch the video, or you may want news articles. Whatever it is, you can choose those down here as well, and kind of get a, but this kind of gives you a bird's eye view of what kind of content there is. And then there are 3 featured content articles about this person as well. So you'll notice the quick facts up here also give you a little bit of additional information about this person. All right. So the next source that you may want to use, you may want to look up a book about this person, or this person in various books, reference type books. So I am going to paste the name in here, and you'll notice that this gives you access to a lot of different nonfiction type books about dealing with things that either this person was involved in, whether it was politics, government, um, society issues, beliefs, whatever the case may be. You'll be able to access books in here. And so you can also, so this is by relevance. Maybe you want, maybe you want books that, the most recent books, or whatever the case may be. You can choose how you want to sort these. Um, and then, so let's say you want to use this book right here. I'm just going to click on it. You would be able to cite right here. You would get this Mla citation and put this into your Works Cited page. And then also, once you have that book in here, you can go through and find the index and whatever and all the different things. So all right. So the next one that you might want to use if you are looking for news articles about your person or things like that, I am going to again paste my person's name in here. And then you'll notice here there are 122,000 news articles, magazines, academic journals, books, images. But this resource is primarily going to give you those new magazine and news articles. You can also come over here and see this will start the topic finder on ones where there's just so many search results about that person. You might want to click here. And so you'll notice there are different tiles here. So if I click on India, then it's going to give me, it's going to give you different options about that person. And then it's going to pull in results specifically about that so that you can access those articles just about that one thing. So I'm just going to, I'm going to click on service, and you'll notice that there is a couple of articles here dealing with his service. Tributes. So maybe I want to see floral tributes here. That's going to give me information about that. So that might be another way for you to access news articles and things about your person. Image Quest is going to give you images about the person. So I'm going to put in the person's name, and you'll notice there are 224 images of Gandhi in here that I can use for my project. So this is when you're going to the final project part and you're wanting to use images. Just like with anything else, let's say you want to use this image, you need to cite all of your images. So I'm going to choose a MLA, and then this is the information that I would put onto my Works Cited page right here. And so this gives me my citation for this image. All right, so you need to cite all of your images as well. So this one is for any of your people that are African American or Black. You'll be able to collect information from this ABC Clio one here. And then also We have, I think that's it. So these are books. So if your person is Malala, because she's on the list, you can cite this book. You can use this book, and you can cite this book. This is the citation that you would copyright here and put on your Works Cited page. So same with this book. This book has Martin Luther King. So if you wanted to cite this one, you would use the MLA citation right there. So those are just some ebooks that we have in our Mac and Via collection. And so you could use those for those people as well. As always, if you have any questions or you need any help throughout the course of this project, do not hesitate to reach out to me, lambertin@friscoist.org, or you can come see me in the library, and I will be happy to help you with anything related to the research portion of this project. Good luck, Lions.